poppin'? What's poppin'? Scrubzah? J Hills? Yeah, guys, this is a special video with Scrubs and J Hills. J Hills wanted to be on a video for so long. Want to check out my boy Scrubs?
We got everybody, guys, on this video.
Don't check out his channel, by the way. It seems like he doesn't care. And don't subscribe to him at all. Make him unsubscribe if you are. Oh my freaking god, guys! Like, it's gonna be insane, guys. Everybody has a childhood friend. You're gonna be so surprised to hear J Hills. It's so tragic and sad. And let's get.
Yeah, J Hills is kind of scary, man. His channel is kind of fuck you, nigga. Oh, nigga.
What the fuck? I went
Sorry, guys. I sat on his hat, guys, and
It's still cold.
yo, guys, his channel is absolutely insane.
Guys, yo, guys, what poppin'? Guys, I want to tell you my entire story. It's really tragic and sad and pathetic.
Sad and pathetic.
My best friend, get the camera.
You have to use that thing too.
Yeah, I know.
It's connected.
No, J Hills got strangled. It's not connected. Who cares? It's gonna pop up. Guys, my tallest friend is a vacuum cleaner. That's right, guys. A fucking goddamn. Guys, my life is pathetic, guys. My mom used to slap me every time. But when I was a kid, you know, I only had two toys: a toy car and a toy plane. I used to play with them all. One time I got bored, so I thought I was using my imagination one. So I used to play killer vacuum. It was like a. What? Yo, guys, J, Almond Mo, Snakeweed, J Station Garbage Toy Truck. Patrick.
What's your scrubzah, dude?
What's your scrubzah?
Yo, mine is a killer humidifier. I mean, shit, humidifier, guys. But we'll get that in the other video.
Yeah. Guys, I used to play killer vacuum. I used to get my toy cars, put them underneath because they were small, you know, then squish them. Right after that, I started talking to my vacuum cleaner, you know, just random, you know. Yo, what should we do now? Like, vacuum cleaner, you know? And they used to freaking reply, oh my freaking god, guys. It really did. They used to reply like, J Hills, I want to read book. J Hills, I want to kill your dad. Like, whatever, guys. Because I was just saying, it started walking after me every 3 a.m. It even tried to strangle my dad like this, you know? But my dad blamed on me, so I went to the asylum, guys. Then after that, I got out, then I met J Station, and then, yeah.
I thought you were fucking born there.
What?
I thought you were born in the mental asylum.
Yeah, no, that was my mom. That was my mom because she gave birth to me. Oh my freaking god, guys. Anyways, guys, let's get that. Slap it for me. Fuck you. Fine. Okay, guys. We got the vacuum. It's really fast. That's why.
How does it come to life, Jay?
It talks to me at 3 a.m., guys.
You almost turned into J Station.
But basically, got to summon it. Like, you have to wait. You have to grab this vacuum.
What the fuck, man?
What?
Tangled it up.
Oh.
Fuck you. Okay, you hold the camera, keep everybody distracted. Okay.
You have to grab the freaking vacuum cleaner. And you gotta say, what next vacuum? What next vacuum? What next fucking goddamn nigga motherfucking vacuum? It only works for my vacuum, but it could work for your vacuum. So you just gotta make it your body. You gotta make your thing a friend. For example, toy octopus, so fucking beautiful. This toy octopus, you know, if you play with it, you talk with it as a childhood. Then after 20 years, permanently, it does answer you. It does start talking to you like the vacuum fucking nigga cleaner. Guys, it's actually really cool, guys. So a vacuum cleaner is grumpy here, guys. J Station does lots, guys. Make sure to check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel as well. This is another special guy, J Hills. J Hills is becoming a really nice guy, guys. He's making us do videos on his channel. And yeah, me and scrubzah haven't done a video on his channel. There has been Ahmed more special, but not J Hills and scrubzah specials. This is a combined, guys. Make sure to check out my banger motherfucking potions on my other channel. I got J Hills. You guys are J Hillers now.
Yo, Jay!
Yo, I swear it just moved.
It's almost 3.
No, listen.
It's 2:59, J Hills.
I literally think it just moved.
It's 2:59, Jay.
Yeah, we're gonna go sleep and probably just gonna start talking. Let's go. Cut. Okay. No, you start recording. Okay, listen. You can be like J Hills. You can maybe want to go check on the vacuum. The vacuum cleaner's gonna be there strangling J Station.
Okay. Yo, guys, I just cut to the camera, guys. I'm gonna be vlogging, guys, from here. The vacuum, guys. Guys, I don't think this is actually true, guys. I don't think it's gonna come to life, guys. This is obviously a joke.
Don't guys say like and subscribe. Like you will try.
Remember, guys, like and subscribe, guys. 70 million prayers, guys, for J Hills so he doesn't go to the mental asylum again, which I think he will, guys. And
I'm gonna go check.
what?
I'm gonna go check. Go.
Guys, I'm gonna go check on Jay, guys. I haven't heard from him. Yo, Jay! 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 Guys, like and subscribe! No!
It's good time for you if you don't like and subscribe. Tell Chills to finish it all.
Vacuum, why'd you do that? Guys, I'm gonna cut back to Jay Hills. I'm gonna cut back to Jay Hills, guys.
What happened? What happened?
Brad, bitch.
Yo, what happened, guys? I don't know.
Can't see that.
Oh. J Station. It's alive. We gotta run. Guys, we gotta run. Okay, wait. I need to zoom it in. Over here. Over here. Hurry up with the vacuum.
Oh shit.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Guys, it's freaking alive. Oh fuck. Yo, scrubzah, get it. Yo, scrubzah is right there. Get it. No, I'll try to handle it.
I fall on the ground and squish me.
And then
I fall and you squish me at the fucking neck. Oh my god! Ah! Wait. Yo, Jay! Oh, guys! Say something! Say something!
Don't worry. Get off.
Jay, let's get it off!
I will. You better like and subscribe. I run your face over. It's gonna hurt. I'm gonna run your face over.
Yeah, I'm just gonna die, okay? Get the camera and fucking run. Get the camera and fucking run.
God, I thought. Vacuum gonna grab my leg. Vacuum gonna grab my leg. God, I just thought the vacuum gonna grab my leg. Over here. Alright, guys. No, over there on my foot. Grab it. God. What's that? Can't even see. Okay. Give me. Guys, it's scaling me from behind there. Get off, vacuum. God, that's so dumb. My vacuum is alive, bro. Oh, my mom. Yo, mom. God. What? You're going to bed after.
Yo, I got here as soon as I got the message.
Yo, my vacuum cleaner's alive. It killed it, and
That's insane.
I need to help. You all ready?
Yeah, I can.
You all ready?
This is how Jails.
You all
You
ready?
guys already know it.
Yeah, guys. My foot fucking hurts.
I can't move.
We got to kill the vacuum now. It runs my foot over.
That's the fucking thing. Sprang.
No. We got to continue it. Put the vacuum out like
It
over there.
strangles me, okay?
Yeah, no, it strangles me first. Then it strangles you. It's gonna be a jump scare. It's over here.
It's the thing.
It's right here. Grab it. Guys, just jump at me, okay? Yo, get down. Yeah, just dump. Like, just throw it at me. Oh, no! No!
I'm gonna try to get it off.
Oh, get it off!
You guys, it's too strong.
No, get it off!
Guys, help me, Jay!
Guys, guys, not to me. One. Okay, guys, say no play vacuum. It's right there.
Guys,
it's just standing right there. What do you want, vacuum? Keep talking about.
I want to kill you. I want to play with you, Jay. Just like old good times.
Oh no, vacuum. I'll change the filter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, knock it down. I knocked it down. No play vacuum. No play vacuum. No play vacuum today.
Zoom the camera on me. Wait.
Yeah.
Is it dead?
I think so. I said no play. That means.
Show it to me. Is it dead? Zoom to the camera.
I think it's dead.
Is it dead?
No!
Show the thing moving. Zoom it.
No. Hey. Vacuum. Run.
I hate you, Jay.
I hate you too, nigga. Guys, I broke it.
Cut the video. Cut it. Say it's 3:59, guys.
It's 3:59. Vacuum's still there. I broke it. What? Look at it, guys. So freaking cool. I need someone holding the camera. Ahmed survives.
Oh, guys, I was so injured.
Hold the camera and zoom in on that thing. Look at this guy. This was what's all defense. Look at it. It's a snack. It's neck like. So freaking cool. Look at this power switch. You know. Yeah, guys. There's a lot of little banger, guys.
Oh, shit. Oh, guys, I can't believe we actually did that. That was insane. We're taco piranha. Look at it, guys. Jay Station?
Yeah, guys, that was absolutely insane. That was a special. I hope everyone's okay.
Wait, no.
Good night, everyone. Peace.